Hi, now we will see how we can use the point of sale or the ticketing system or the invoice making. Okay, for that you can click a point of sale here, or if you want to actually close any appointment to invoice or convert any appointment to invoice, you can do that from the appointment book itself. All you need to do is go to the appointment, right click that and checkout. Once you press checkout, you will get this form wherein which you have the client information and the date of the invoice and all the details, so you don't have to repeat it again. Okay, here you can also add additional things like product. You can add more services which is not actually in the appointment book. You can add a package, and also you can add a gift card to this one. Here, like now I will try to add a product in this invoice. So just click add product. You can see all the product here. Okay, when you click, you will see how much is available in each branch and how much is available in the salon, for how much quantity is available here in this part. So when you double click that, you can see that the product retail price and the cost price, everything comes here. You just need to click here and who sold that. You can, this is optional. If you want to give, you can give, or else you can neglect it. Here you can actually change the number of quantity. For example, the quantity, if you want give as 3 quantity, then you can click on the quantity and give as 3. Plus you can also change the price of the product. This price which is coming here is inclusive of tax, so the price which you will put here should be also like inclusive of tax. And you can see all the total and all the details, it comes here. If you want to redeem a gift card also, it needs to be already there for this employee, for this client, sorry, for this client. The gift card number should be there, and while putting the gift card number, you can actually redeem the gift card also. Here you can see we can also change the price, also you can change the quantity, and also you can give discount row basis or on a invoice basis. If you want to give row basis, you just need to click here. If you want to give as a whole amount, you just enter as amount, or if you want to give as a percentage, you can give as a percentage also. Suppose you want to give as 10%, you need to type as 10%. This percentage symbol should be there, and when you press OK, so the 10% will be applied here. If you want to give as a direct amount, you can give as, for example, you want to give 25 dirham or real discount, so you can give as 25, so the 25 is applied to that, and the total amount comes accordingly to that particular line. No, you think that you want to give a discount on the whole of the invoice, then you can give here, click in the discount below, and you can give a 15% or 10%, whatever it is you wanted to give, or you can mention how many percentage you want to give here. Here are the variable options which is available for you, or you can give your own customized discount percentage. Suppose if I give 10% and press OK, so the 10% is applied for the entire invoice for each one, and this is the total amount which is given. Now if you actually check out, it says the tender amount is less, meaning the client is not paying anything now. So you can record this also as well. Once you record this as it is, so the balance for that client will come here, or you can see at any point of time. Okay, or else you can actually provide the payments, meaning how they paid. For example, they paid by cash, so they gave around 1000 dirham or real. So if you put 1000, so the balance change you have to give is this one. balance amount, okay, or it can be multiple payments or split payments. For that, you need to first give the card payment first, then the cash payment if they are giving in such a way, okay. If the change they wanted to give is there, meaning they give a higher amount than the cash, so for that we will split this payment as by 700 by Visa card, okay. The balance they paid by cash, so they gave 300 as the amount. So the total amount is 904, total they paid is 1000, and the change you have to give is 95. When you press like this, it gives you the change amount, how much you have to give, and you can go ahead and check out the invoice. So the invoice number is generated, and you can see here the detail of the invoice, the invoice number, invoice date, the client, this is the product, this is the service, and a discount applied, the total amount, and how much they paid by cash and how much they paid by Visa, along with their loyalty points and all other information. Okay, this is how you actually create an invoice in the system.